Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. As college move-in day approaches, we've rounded up the top 12 new IKEA items that are perfect for transforming your college dorm into a stylish and functional space. Let's dive into these must-have dorm essentials that will make your college life a little easier and a lot more enjoyable. 1. Nudm LED portable lamp, battery operated, light pink, dark gray green. Illuminate your study area with the Nudm LED portable lamp. Its soft, cozy light creates an inviting atmosphere, making it easier to focus on homework or reading. Lightweight and battery operated, this lamp can be easily moved to any study spot without the hassle of cords. Recharge via the USB-C port and adjust the shade for a directed light, perfect for detailed tasks. 2. Bierkosen laptop stand, anthracite. Optimize your study setup with the Bierkosen laptop stand. Its sturdy build and adjustable height and tilt offer ergonomic support, reducing strain during long study sessions. The stand is also foldable for convenient storage and includes a cup holder to keep your coffee or water bottle within reach. Ideal for students who need flexibility in their workspace. 3. Pilton Vinge duvet. Cover and pillowcase ease, light green, full queen. Revamp your dorm room or bedroom with the Pilton Vinge duvet cover set. The vibrant design and wrinkle-resistant fabric add a touch of style and comfort, essential for a restful night's sleep. Made from a durable polyester viscose blend, it's easy to maintain, allowing students to focus on their studies rather than laundry. 4. Wimpel Fisk 20-piece cutlery. Set with holder, stainless steel bamboo, off-white. Keep your kitchen area organized with the Wimpel Fisk Cutlery Set. The included bamboo holder with multiple compartments is perfect for neatly storing cutlery and other dining essentials. This helps reduce clutter and ensures that everything is readily accessible, making meal prep and cleanup between study sessions a breeze. 5. Hatosen bedside table, shelf unit, black. The Hatosen bedside table is a versatile addition to any student's room. Its compact design and high-edge shelves keep books, study materials, and personal items organized and within easy reach. Lightweight and portable, it can be used next to a bed, desk, or even as an extra surface in tight spaces. 6. Slon bath sheet, orange-pink stripe. Add a splash of color to your bathroom with the Slon bath sheet. The medium-thick cotton towel is highly absorbent, making it perfect for quick refreshes after study breaks or sports activities. Its vibrant stripes complement solid towels and add a touch of fun to your daily routine. 7. Nissafors utility cart, yellow. Maximize your study space with the Nissafors utility cart. Its compact size and 4 casters make it easy to move and fit into tight spots. Use it to store textbooks, stationery, or art supplies, keeping everything organized and accessible. Ideal for students who need extra storage in dorms or shared spaces. 8. Nevlinge LED clamp spotlight, lilac dark green. Illuminate your study area with the Nevlinge LED clamp spotlight. Its adjustable arm and head allow you to direct light exactly where needed, reducing eye strain during late-night study sessions. The clamp design ensures it can be attached to various surfaces, making it versatile for different study setups. 9. Gans 3-piece bathroom set, black. Upgrade your bathroom with the Gans set, which includes a sleek soap dish, liquid soap container, and tumbler. The elegant black stoneware helps keep your bathroom organized and stylish, ideal for students who want a touch of luxury in their dorm or apartment bathroom. 10. Hotel room rug, high pile, blue, green, white. Enhance your study space with the hotel room high pile rug. Its soothing gradient pattern and soft texture provide a cozy, comfortable area for studying or relaxing. The high pile also helps to dampen sound, creating a quieter environment conducive to concentration and productivity. 11. Stackstod 11. Stackstod desk organizer, yellow. Keep your desk clutter-free with the Stackstod organizer. Its compartments are perfect for storing pens, cords, and small study accessories. The sturdy handle makes it easy to transport, while the compact size fits neatly into various desk setups or shelves, helping you stay organized and focused. 12. Helmer Drawer Unit on Casters, yellow. The Helmer Drawer Unit offers flexible storage for your study area. Its compact size and casters allow it to fit under desks or move easily to different spots. With multiple drawers, you can keep school supplies, notes, and personal items neatly organized, enhancing your productivity and workspace efficiency. That's it for my top IKEA picks for your college dorm. With these essentials, you'll be all set for a great year ahead. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.